Hi friends, welcome to my channel EazzyLearningLab. In my previous videos, I have told you about joins that are inner join, outer join, left outer join, right outer join and a full join. In this video, we will do some practical work on joins. If you have any doubt on joins, you can watch my previous video or in my description sections. If you want to download all the notes and try in your editor, you can just download. In the description section there is a link, you can download it. So for this video we are using two tables, that is customer and a department table. Customer table will contain 8 records, department table contain 4 records. Okay, let's start. This is our editor basically. I'm using, for the time being, I'm using this Oracle editor. You can use any editor which you want. Okay, so first I am creating a table. I've created a customer table. I will insert 8 records into it. As per our design, I will insert 8 records. Okay, 8 records are inserted. Let's check whether these 8 records have been there in a table. See, 8 records are there. Then next step, we will create a department table. We will insert 4 records into this table. After inserting, you can find, you can select also to check whether records have been inserted or not. If you have any doubts in inserting records or in updating or DML or DZ operation, you can watch my previous videos also. Department, this time we are checking, confirming it. Oh, 4 records are there. That's good. That's look good. Now our first join is inner join. So for this, syntax is very simple. Select star from customer inner join. Only this keyword is required. Inner join. These are 2 tables, which is joined with the inner table, and what is the joining condition is based on this department table. So just run it. We will get all the records which are matching in both the tables. See, we will get 7 records. Because these 7 records are matching. These 7 record department are there in a department table, also in the customer table. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Only this record is not there because 5 is not there in this department table, so it will not be there in our result set. There is one more type you can write these joins using this method. In the where condition you are doing it, but try to use this inner join and left outer right outer join syntax. If you are comfortable with writing this type of joins, you can write it, but sometimes it's create a confusion to you. So that's why I will not recommend you to use these joins. I will recommend you to use this keywords joins. So the output of both the syntax is same basically. You can do any one of it. Okay. Now we will go for a left join. Left join means we will need all the records from the left table. Left table means left side this table is there, customer table is there. Our left side is customer table is there. So in this join, left join, we will get all the records from the left table. So in the left table we have how many records? We have basically 8 records. So we will get all these 8 records. All these 8 records. See, all the 8 records we will get. This last record we don't have the department, but still we will get this records because we are using a left join. For second type of syntax, it's very simple. 2 tables, and then in a where condition you have to write the joining condition. Only remember here, like in left join, we need all the records from the customer table. So which table is deficient? We have to find which table is deficient. So department table is deficient because in customer table we have a department 5 which is not there in department table. So we need all these records. So we have to put this plus sign where the table is deficient because this 5 is not present in department table. So we have to put this plus in department side table. So this is basically a complicated part. But if you practice it, you will be comfortable with it. See, same records. Then right outer join. Right join means we will get all the records from the right side table. Right side table is department. See all the records from the right side table. All 4 departments. Marketing does not have a customer in the customer table. Still, we will get this marketing department as in one row. So the other alternative of this deficiency table is now we have 4. We have the 4 in this department table, but we don't have this in our customer table. But still, we need this marketing table, market record. So deficiency table is a customer table. So the results are same. Yeah. Now full means from both the tables, whether there is not been there in first table or whether not been in second table, we will get all the records. See, these are the common inner join results. This is left outer join result. This is a right outer join result. So we will get all the records in this table, independent of left, right, inner, all the records. Okay. Now the last one is cross join, or you can say a Cartesian product. Cartesian product means if we have a 2 records in A table, we have a 3 records in a B table. So 2 into 3, that is 6 records. So in our customer table, we have how many records? We have 8 records. In our department table, we have 4 records. Okay, 8 and 4. 8 into 4, 32. 8 4s are 32. So we will get 32 records. And it does not have a where condition. See, for each customer, like if we take a first record, John has, like John have computer department also, John is with engineer department also. Like it is a Cartesian product. First record, all the records from the B table. Second record, all the records from the B table. Third record, all the records. Like this way it will work. So it is a Cartesian product. So that's why I told you, if there are 2 records, there are 3 records. 2 into 3, just multiply the values. You will get the desired number of result. See, 32 records. So friends, this is all about join. Watch my upcoming videos. In my upcoming videos, I will tell you more about SQL's, some other clause. I will tell you about partitioning. I will tell you about windowing functions. So watch my videos, subscribe my channel, so you will get the latest video which I will upload it. And if you have any doubts or a problem, you can mail me or comment me in my videos, and you can like me. Thank you friends. Bye. See you in my next videos.